What if I told you we've already crossed the threshold? A threshold as world-changing as the invention of fire, or the internet, or even electricity. But unlike those revolutions, this one doesn't just enhance humanity. It might just replace it. We are entering a future that feels eerily like science fiction, but this time there's no off switch. This is the dark side of AI, and no one wants to talk about it. Let's talk about it. 1. The jobs aren't coming back. AI isn't just another tool. It's not a wrench, it's not a calculator. It's not even a supercomputer. It's a thinking machine. And for the first time in history, we're creating tools that don't need us anymore. They don't just help with work, they do the work. And that starts with the simplest tasks. Data entry, copywriting, basic accounting, customer service, paralegal review, even radiology. If your job involves text in, text out, AI is coming for it. Not next decade, not 5 years from now, next year. And here's the kicker. The first jobs to go are the ones people rely on to get started. The foot in the door roles. The ones that pay the bills while you're still figuring it all out. They're vanishing fast. 2. A future for the few. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine a marathon. Some people are jogging, some are sprinting. But others? They've got Formula One engines strapped to their backs. That's what AI is. It's not a race of effort anymore. It's a race of tools. And the people who know how to use them win. The rest? They get left behind. Not because they're lazy, not because they're dumb, but because the system wasn't built for everyone to win. We're heading into a world where some people will earn millions a month from AI, and others can't even get hired at $15 an hour. It's not opportunity that's scarce. It's the ability to access it. 3. The useless class. What happens when billions of people are no longer needed? Not in factories, not in offices, not even on farms. Because soon, AI won't just think. It'll move, it'll act, it'll build, it'll replace. We're not just talking about losing jobs. We're talking about losing purpose. And when society decides a group is no longer economically useful, history tells us exactly what happens next. We don't adapt. We exclude. You've heard the term useless eater before? It's chilling. And it's not fiction anymore. 4. This isn't the Industrial Revolution. Some people say, relax, this happened before. Remember the loom, the steam engine, the internet? But this isn't like those. When we moved from farms to factories, humans were still in charge. When we moved from typewriters to computers, we still typed. This time, the tools are typing for us. They're thinking for us. They're designing, coding, negotiating, creating. This isn't the Industrial Revolution 2.0. This is something else. This is the first time the tools don't need people anymore. 5. Synthetic escape. And when people can't participate in the real world, they'll retreat to a fake one. Call it the metaverse. Call it Ready Player One. Call it the Matrix. We're already seeing it. VR headsets, AI girlfriends, gamified work, simulated success. Soon, entire lives lived inside synthetic spaces because the real world has no use for us. It sounds dramatic, but remember, so did smartphones once. So did social media. And look how fast they consumed us. Now imagine that, but on a neural level, not just distraction. Substitution. 6. A window of power. But, and this is important, we are not powerless. Not yet, because we're still early. AI is powerful, but so are you. The people who choose to learn these tools, to build with them instead of running from them, they will shape the future. It's not fair. It's not equal, but it's possible. There's a tiny window right now where you can go from zero to something real. You can start a business, build a brand, automate a service, launch a product with almost no capital. Because in the age of AI, leverage is infinite, but only for the ones who show up early. 7. Choose your path. So, here's the choice. Consume or create. Adapt or disappear. Let AI shape you, or you shape it. Because make no mistake, this future isn't coming. It's here. Some will fall behind. Some will check out. And some will rise faster than ever before. So, which one will you be? If this video shook you, good. It's supposed to, because what's coming is massive. And pretending otherwise doesn't protect anyone. So hit that like button if you're ready to face it. Subscribe if you want to stay ahead of the wave. And drop a comment. Will AI be humanity's greatest tool? Or its final mistake? I'll see you in the next one.